Get your golf game on at Oakmont Golf Center, the perfect place for the whole family to learn, practice, play, and enjoy a day of golf. Tee it up on the 78-station range, complete with 24 covered bays, new targets, and LED lighting. Perfect your short game with our expansive practice area. Learn and improve with group or private lessons. Junior golfers can take advantage of special discounts and programs. Play a round of golf on the 9-hole par 3 course with holes from 95 to 200 yards. Great for a quick round for beginners and advanced golfers alike. Fuel up with the newly added food and beverage options. Browse the latest selection of golf gear from classic styles to the latest trends in the updated Pro Shop. For more information, visit us on the web. See you on the greens!